Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we gonna talking about how to delete all Facebook posts at once in 2022. So make sure you watch this video until the end, so that there is no misunderstanding. First step, open your Facebook app, then click on your profile picture to go to your Facebook profile. Second step, click three dots icon here. After that click on the log activity. Third step, go to manage your post setting. Okay, if you want to delete all your Facebook posted once you have to checklist at the all box. Then click on trash icon here to move all your Facebook posts to trash box. Then click move to trash. Now all of your Facebook posts already deleted. Okay, let's back and see on my profile. As you can see all of my posts already deleted. That's only left my photo profile. Bonus, for you that watched this video until now, I will give you tutorial how to restore all your Facebook post. Just go back to manage post setting, and click on trash icon here. Then, checklist on all box, next click restore to profile. Okay, thanks for watching this video until the end, don't forget to subscribe my channel.